Welcome back to my channel. I'm beyond excited for today's video because we are going to be kicking off the Christmas Decorate With Me videos for 2021, and we're going to start in my living room with my Christmas tree. I cannot wait to bring you along for the process of decorating it. I'm going to share with you what I'm going to use, how I add my ribbon and my ornaments, and just how we're going to deck out the front living room for Christmas. So I hope that you enjoy this video and it gives you lots of Christmas decorating inspiration. Make sure that you subscribe also if you haven't already, because I have lots more Christmas Decorate With Me videos coming within the next few weeks. We're going to deck out the entire house and make it so fun and festive, and I can't wait to bring you along for that. And also give this video a like if you love decorating for Christmas. It is my favorite time of year and I'm so excited that I get to share it with you all here. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started with decorating the tree. So I decided to set up the tree beside our TV stand this year just to try it out and see if I liked it in that space, to switch things up this year. But once I got it over there, I realized that it was going to be way too crowded and the walk space wasn't big enough between the couch and the tree. So I just went ahead and vacuumed up all that flock from setting up the tree, and now I'm going to dust off my bookshelf and move that over where I had the tree beside the TV, and I ended up loving that so much more. I think it looks so good in that space, and I'm excited to decorate this over here this year, and I'm really glad that it fit and it looks good there.
Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about
Next, I'm just fluffing out the tree and gonna get it ready for the next strand of lights that I'm gonna add on. I got these lights from Target on clearance 2 years ago, and I like to add them into my tree just to add more to it. It makes it brighter, and I love the glow that these add. So I'm just gonna weave these in and out, and here's what they look like on. So pretty. I just love how much this adds to the tree. Again, I got these on clearance at Target a few years ago, but I will try to find the link for them and link them below. And here's a little clip of what the box looks like too, in case you want to look for them. And then I'm just going to clean up all the flock from the tree that fell out. It does make a mess, but it's just so pretty. I love the flocked look. And then I'm going to add down this tree skirt that was a Goodwill find from last year, and I was excited to get to use this year.
Fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say
I decided to go with this tree skirt this year just to switch it up a little bit from my red ticking stripe tree skirt from last year, but I found this at Goodwill on clearance after Christmas for $3.99, and I could not believe it. I was so excited, and I think it looks so pretty under this flocked tree. It has like the fur, and then this part is kind of like a knit crocheted kind of look, but I think it is so pretty, and I'm really happy with it. So now it is time to start with the tree. I think I'm going to add my garland and my picks first, and then we will add on all the ornaments. Last year I loved having a picture hung up on this wall behind my tree, and I did a vintage print last year. I still have that picture and I absolutely love it, but I just wanted to switch it up and do something new and fun here this year. So I have this sign, and I hung this in our bedroom last year. So I thought to still get to use it, but yet to switch up this space, I would put it here this year. And I love how it looks behind the tree. I think it's gonna go with all of my ornaments and everything. So I love how that turned out. And now I'm gonna get started with my garland. I have all of this beaded red garland from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna string this all over the tree.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's
Now I'm going in with these frosted berries from Hobby Lobby. I've had these for a few years as well, but I just love what they add to the tree, especially with mine being flocked. I love the pops of red. That's my favorite. White with pops of red. I just love it so much for Christmas. And these ornaments here are also from Hobby Lobby. They have a sweater texture to them. And this ornament here is from Walmart, and I absolutely love the vintage Santa on it. So I'm just going to go in now with all my different ornaments. I have some vintage, some from Hobby Lobby, some from Walmart, all different places. But if you want to know where anything is from, just leave me a comment below and I will get back to you. And then this ribbon here is from Walmart for only $5 this year, and I love what this added to my tree. I feel like it adds a touch of primitive rustic type of look, but it also goes with the red and the white really well. So I'm gonna just cut little strips of this and tuck it in each side and make the ribbon look like it's just wove in and out of the tree.
our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make
This is the disaster I've created, but it always gets worse before it gets better, right? So we will get that all cleaned up soon. It'll be worth it. But I wanted to show you how the tree is looking now. I just got done putting on all of these little red, these are shiny bright vintage ornaments that I thrifted, I think 2 years ago now, and I love them. I love the shine and the color that they add. So I just put a bunch of those on there in different little random spots. And I have one more that I'm gonna put up at the top. And then for now, I think the tree will be done.
And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
So that is it for the tree this year. Very similar to last year, but I did switch out the ribbon and added a few new ornaments. And the only thing I don't have is a tree topper yet, so I'm going to be on the hunt for one of those. Last year I did a big bow, but I really want to switch it up this year and do something different. So I'm going to be on the lookout for a pretty, maybe like a vintage looking tree topper is what I'm envisioning. So we will see what I can find, but stay tuned for the Christmas home tour to see that. And now I'm just going to start picking up all of my mess from decorating and get the couch all fixed up. I'm going to add on my new throw blanket and fluff the pillows, vacuum up all the flock, and get everything looking pretty in here.
Merry Christmas to you.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. since July.
I got this throw blanket from TJ Maxx and I love the shade of red. It's really deep and pretty. I love what this adds to the couch, and I was on the hunt for some red throw pillows that matched this, and I didn't end up finding any until after I filmed this video. So again, you'll have to stay tuned for my Christmas home tour, and then I'll share with you what those red pillows look like on the couch paired with this throw. They ended up matching it perfectly, and I'm so excited to share with y'all what that looks like soon. But I'm just going to get everything else all fluffed up. This Mary pillow was also from TJ Maxx last year, and then I'm going to vacuum up all the flock because I had so much glitter and sparkles and flock all over the floor. So I'm going to get the rug all vacuumed up and get everything nice and clean.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
Make sure y'all follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. I would love to have you over there. I just did a really fun fall giveaway, and stay tuned because I'm going to be doing another one for Christmas, and I'm excited for that. So again, follow me over on there. I'll leave my name here on the screen, and I love to share sneak peeks of decor and just random things throughout the day, my morning coffee or something new that I've thrifted or anything like that. So I would love for you to join me.
I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
So this is how the living room area and the tree turned out this year. Again, I do still need to find a tree topper and then add those pillows to the couch. I'm also going to do a centerpiece on my coffee table and then decorate my TV stand and my bookshelf, but I'm going to save all of that for my Christmas home tour so that you have a little bit of a surprise in there. But another thing I did decide to add to this side of the tree is this basket right here with some throw pillows in it. This one here is from Sky from House and Home, and I love the tassels on it. I think it's so pretty. And then this pillow here with the red ticking stripe was thrifted a few years ago, so I'm just gonna layer those in there, and I like what that added beside the tree. But stay tuned for the rest of the living room reveal to see what it will all look like. I cannot wait to share it soon. Make sure you subscribe again so that you won't miss it, and give this video a like if you love decorating for Christmas. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.
Remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.